let's take a look at how you can create the diagram with apps in Canva, right? So first thing I will do is I will click create, then pick one of the custom size, right? Or you can pick from existing like social media or any of your specific resolutions, right? So once you do that, you can open your design that is like this, right? Next we will go to apps and then type diagram, right? So here you can see bunch of the apps offering the diagram option, right? I click on one of them, you will notice it will allow you to create the diagrams, right? They also have existing diagrams that you can select from. Simply tap on that, they will show you the available diagrams, right? So you can also do inspire me to create the prompt, and then based on that you will generate. You have to choose the option for auto detect just in case you are not sure which is the right type of chart for you or diagram for you, right? Now you can also upload any specific data file. For example, like you have CSV file or doc, you can upload into that and then generate. Now the thing is, you have limited credits based on the plan you are picking. So for organizational accounts, you are restricted from using too much AI. So like 1 or 2 times a day would be enough. Here you see, let me add this particular design. Now I have to stretch this a bit, right? And we can also make this as background. Can also detach, can stretch this further. Here you see process of making coffee turned into Gantt chart. So I can also start over and add better charts. So we go here, inspire me, class diagram. You can see something like this, right? Then here you see class diagram is here, and again generate option. So I ran out of the credits. Daily I'm allowed certain, so but you get the idea. Just have to add them in prompt, or alternatively you can use image from here and then click generate. That would create diagram using Canva app.